To automatically use the auto FPS feature for 30 FPS videos only on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Scroll down the screen. Under Video section, tap Auto FPS and then select Use for 30 FPS videos only. With this setting, when you record a 30 FPS video in video mode in low light condition, your phone will automatically reduce the frame rate to allow more light per frame. Given to the function, it will help to improve visibility, reduce noise, and make the video look clearer and brighter in darker environment. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.